Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to solve issue of TikTok maximum number of attempts reach try again later. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and go to the settings on your device. And from here on the settings, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here guys apps. So tap on apps. And from here, just simply go to TikTok. So it will be letter T. So just simply go to T and tap on it. And now over here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on storage over here. And now just simply tap on clear cache here at the bottom right. And once you have done that, make sure to tap on clear data as well and tap on OK. And now guys, from there, you should be able to fix the issue and you can just simply try logging in as well. Now guys, if it still doesn't work, just simply go back at the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply tap on uninstall here at the middle down below. And from here, just tap on OK. And from here, for this method, is just simply reinstalling the application. So now, once you have uninstalled it, just simply go to Google Play Store again. And now just simply search for TikTok over here. And now just simply download it again. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.